Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Expression Home XP-3155. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple in one if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer, I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then we set up this printer. Okay, from the back the power cable goes here. 3-pin power cables included in the packaging. The USB cable goes to the side here. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. This is the USB cable, what it looks like. Canon can use it, Epson can use it, HP can use it. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. This is the rear paper. This is the rear paper holder input. The load particular paper you are using, A4 paper, 4x6, various size of paper right here. Okay, and it goes in here. So the paper goes in. So you load particular paper you want, okay, and adjust it. This is the rear paper tray loaded. Okay, and this is the scanner, flat bed scanner. If you want to change the ink, open up this printer. The ink cartridge holder is right here in the corner. Okay, it's right here. Now what we need to do is, first of all, switch this printer on. And to switch this printer on, this is the on and off button. This is the on button. So plug the printer to the socket. I'm going to plug the printer to the socket. Okay, so here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included. So plug it in to the socket. Okay, once you plug it in, press the on and off button. Okay, once you plug it in, make sure the power cable is in completely, then press the on button. Okay, right now you can see. Now once it's on, then you need to choose the language. The next on the list is choose your language. Okay, as it's in English language. If you are from different country, then you scroll down. Okay, use the up and down arrow to select your language. So English right now, press OK. Okay, once you press English, it will start preparing the printer. So right now it's preparing. Okay, what it's doing right now is preparing. Okay, install ink that came with the printer. Okay, so right now press start. Okay, so press start. Change ink cartridges. Okay, so right now ink cartridges are installed incorrectly. So we start with B. Y. Okay, so open it up. Ink cartridges are installed incorrectly. So what you need to do is select proceed. Okay, press OK. Okay, install ink cartridges that came with the printer. Install ink cartridge that came with the printer. Start initializing. Okay, so open up this printer. Okay, right now I can see the ink cartridges holder. It's right here. Okay, so what we need to do right now, first of all, we can see B is for black, yellow, M, and C. Okay, so this is how to set this up. So we'll start with the ink cartridges holder, black color. Start with the ink black. So this is how to set this up. Okay, so this is the black color. Yeah, goes in. Black is in. The next on the list is yellow. yellow on the list. Okay, so yellow on the list. Yellow goes in, push down. The next on the list is M on the list. So this is how to set this printer up. M on the list, push down. Now the last but not the least, okay, this is the blue color, goes in. Okay, and make sure everything is lined up. You can see blue, red, yellow and black. Okay, and gently close it. Okay, once you done, press start. Now what it's doing right now is checking inks. Right now, initialization is taking place. It will take about 6 minutes. There is a line here. We need to wait about 6 minutes for the line to reach to the end. So right now, what it's doing is initialization is what is taking place. You can see initialization is taking place. So you just need to exercise patience. Initialization is what is taking place right now. Powerful, powerful. So initialization is what is taking place right now. Just need to exercise patience. Six minutes. So it's can see. Okay, so if you check the line, you will see that initialization is taking place. Okay, do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This take about 6 minutes. This is powerful gear. Very nice printer. So initialization is what is taking place right now. Is Epson XP-3155. You can see this is the CD-ROM that came with this. Okay, so you stick this contains the software and disk. Stick this to your PC and download the software. But if you connect this using your mobile device, via smart Epson smart panel, then you don't need this CD. Okay, this is XP-3155 Wi-Fi Epson expression home. So initialization is what is taking place right now. Just needs to exercise patience. Powerful stuff. Right, I can see initialization complete. Okay, press OK. It's done. Okay, so guys, this is how to install the ink. Thank you very much. I'm going to check my next video how to adjust the print head. Thank you.